Okay, class. So today we will see about the important question which is related to the your most important subject known as the database management system. This is relevant for the BTech, BTech, diploma, BCA, and some other courses where database is used. You can follow these questions. These are the most important questions will be coming in your end semester examination. So here I have described all the question unit by unit. So first look at unit first. Here in unit first I have described everything very clearly. See, like number one in unit first, number one question, explain the file system and versus database management. Means what is the file system and database management. You will just read this question. Advantages and disadvantages of the DBMS and database management system and file system. Again, what is database designing? Database designing. Number fourth is ER model. What is the entity relationship model? This is always become in the examination. This is always become. This will always come. How to insert delete? This is the first question. In the DBMS, when you will study the DBMS, then first query if you will study, that is how to insert anything in a table, how to delete, update. There are the three queries, most important. Okay, what is the entity? Describe it. एंटिटी क्या है उसको आप पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन दीजिए. एब्स्ट्रैक्शन ये भी आपको पूरा बताना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज द व्यू? देयर आर ओनली हाउ मेनी? I think 4 and 8 questions are here for your first unit. So now we will see on the second unit what we will learn in the second unit. So see, in a second unit there are 6 to 8 questions are here. Number one, what is normal forms? Yes, this is always become. Please study this question. 100% come in your examination. Okay, now another is describe the schema refinement. What is the schema refinement? We will write down the answer. What is the schema refinement? Number third, fundamental of the dependency. How many types of the dependency, where it is used like this. What is the schema? This is the first small question in your examination always become. What is the decomposition? What is the schema decomposition? Aggregate functions, integrity constraints, cursor and triggers. These are the small questions and these are the long question. These are the long question. These are the short questions. So you will read these questions. Okay, now we will come on the third unit. Third unit is BTA unit. Okay, here number one question, what is ISAM? ISM means indexed sequential access method. This is a long question. 101% either this one or this one will become your examination. 101%. Okay, and there are the two short questions. What is the hashing? Sometimes if it will become on the long question, then whole question. What is the hashing and its type, linear, extension, and static or dynamic? Full question will become. If we will come in the short question, then what is the hashing? And again short question, what is indexing and hash table? Hash table क्या और indexing, इसके बारे में हमको इसमें लिखना पड़ेगा. Another one, what is indexing or index? This is your third unit. Okay, now we will see on the fourth unit, important questions of the fourth unit. See, this is most important unit and this is very interesting. When you will study, this is very interesting unit. What is the acid? 100 and acid. What is the acid? Acid is a property of the transaction. Okay, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. There are the four properties come in the transaction. How we will perform a transaction, उसके अंदर चार property आती है. 101% this question will come in your examination. Number second, describe log based concurrency control. Good. Describe 2PL and serializability क्या होती है इसके बारे में. What is transaction? 100% will become. These are the short questions. These three are the short questions. What is transaction? What is scheduling? And define few locking systems. There are so many locking systems, so you will define some few locking systems in your short answers. Now we will come on the fifth unit. Now in the come on the fifth unit, we will see what is wall. Number one question is what is wall. Second, what are checkpointing. Number three, what are define the security and authentication. And also sometimes it will ask what is the difference between the security and authentication. Okay, एंड फोर्थ वन, व्हाट इज द मैंडेटरी एक्सेस कंट्रोल, यानी ये इसमें देखिए डीबीएमएस में पढ़ रहे हैं तो इसमें मैंडेटरी एक्सेस कंट्रोल, यदि आप कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क पढ़ते तो वहां पे क्या पढ़ते, मीडिया एक्सेस कंट्रोल विच इज कम ऑन द डेटा लिंक लेयर, आई हैव डिस्क्राइब इन माय last lecture. So you can see also the important questions of the computer network. What is the discriminatory access control, any DAC? This is always come either this one or this one, most important question. What is checkpoint? Another is define the access control. So you can learn these questions and you will definitely get a minimum 80% marks in your end semester examinations. Okay, some here also another important question I have written here. So see, what are the questions? Number one, what is TCL operations? What is role? What is DBA? These are the sometimes these are short questions will come in your examination. What is DBA? Suppose that asks what is the database administrator? क्या काम होता है? Then you will write down here what is the work of the database administrator. What is sparse matrix? Matrices क्या होती हैं? Addition of the matrix, subtraction of the matrix, or multiplication of the matrix. Like this type of the program is also take place here. Okay, what is the fuzzy checkpoint? These are the most important question in your examination. So if you will like these questions, then you can like, share, and don't forget about the subscribe and press the bell icon for your upcoming videos.